That's the area. So she cannot.
Right, you can't post this. Your mom's gonna go online and find
snitch
it.
on YouTube, finding you and you go, hey, I got all this.
I feel like my mom has you on Snapchat.
And then.
Hi guys! Did you put gel on your hair? Is this the style you're moving? Wait, Alexis.
The real YouTubers do it.
Good morning. You're not a vlogger!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Anyways. Yeah. Do I need to do an intro? Listen, honestly, watch the vlog, you know the vibes. Hoodman things, period. Anyways, so I don't know what I want to wear today. Yeah, you guys want to see my closet?
Psych! When you catch me like a rat on the highway, then you come and you talk very big nonsense to me. It's actually, there's no big either.
Oh, let me show you my OOTD. I'm gonna do a runaway walkway. I got the horses in the back. On my sides real quick. This girl goes, hey guys, so I'm moving to a new apartment in New York. Obviously, like, I completely understand that I'm extremely privileged enough to have it. And I just want to acknowledge that.
By the way, going to get a $79 worth of Starbucks.
It's kind of like, no offense, but you're ugly. You know what I mean? No offense, but you're ugly. Who are you talking to? Nike on top of Nike? Nike. Yeah, the gray will be like, yeah, no. But this is cute. OOTD. I can't really see myself in the camera. OOTD. Great. OOTD. Is she praying or something? Amen. So we're about. Or should I wear Nina Simone? I want to do a pink today. We're gonna leave. Like, what we were supposed to leave a long time ago. That's a lie. But. Is it? No, where's my lip gloss? Put some perfume on. I already did. So I smell bad? No, I'm just saying. Before we leave the house. Girls, our skin just like. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye. Yeah, I'll see you guys when we're there. Period. I had to wipe your makeup off. Anyways, no. Every time mommy's ever texted you, she always says spinach.
I look the same.
She wants you to buy spinach.
I need to do my eyebrows. It's been 2 years.
Or just turn up like this. I'm having a moment there, and y'all really came in and y'all ruined it. You're really ruining it. You're really ruining it.
Man, you're just ruining it. Look at my lips, you're ruining it.
Hi guys, so we're here.
Hey kickers. Just kidding, I'm gonna stop with the kickers. So my apologies, guys.
Anyways, we're here, so yeah.
We've arrived.
He's putting on lipstick.
Oh, I look like I'm glowing.
But it's gonna come off, so I don't know what she's putting on, but she's making me think I should put some on. I wish I had Vaseline. Yeah. Vaseline should sponsor us.
Ooh. Headband? No headband? Okay, so we'll do no headband. Clip. No clip. Clip.
Oh, but Nana said I took that clip, didn't she?
You know I found this?
Nana says I steal everything from her. Guys.
Does this look nice?
Yeah. You should have asked me for mine. I would have given you.
I'm not 12, thank you. Alexis! was honking us.
Hopefully we don't stand.
That was slightly off. That really scared me, Ruby. And there. Live in the suburbs for a couple of years. Wow, Ruby really honked us like that, and I got that on camera too. Wow. I don't know why she's still taking pictures. Like, is Ruby struggling with the parking, or you can't park?
This is Nana. She's currently in her late 20s. If you have an uncle, brother, or friend that ranges from the ages of late 20s to mid 30s with no kids and makes more than $50,000 a year after taxes, hit us up.
Whose sister is this? On me. Anyway, we just got here and
I'm really over it already.
because how we just arrived. Exactly. She honked me now. I think I peed myself a little bit. Like, damn. Scared me a little bit. Ow! Whoa! Hey.
This is D-Box. She would be tied for silver in the African Parents Olympics, but since she's not married, she's currently in 3rd place. If you have an uncle, brother, or friend from the ages of 28 to 35, hit us up.
It's the whole gang here. Ruby and Gemma are there. My sister's right there. And Doreen's right there. You know what? Mind it. I don't mind it. I don't mind it.
What's wrong with you?
I don't mind it.
I feel like your anxiety's already setting in.
Look at these people, no mask. Wait. Gemma, show the people your OOTD.
This is Gemma. If resting faces could kill, hers would be a mass murderer.
Ryan Little. Let them know.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Alexis.
Oh.
It's my 30th birthday.
Okay.
What's up?
Okay.
We're invited. It's gonna be lit. So let's get turned. What? I'm vlogging.
She's vlogging.
I'm a YouTuber.
Period.
Make sure you subscribe below.
Thank
And
you.
hit the like button.
Thank you. Demo. Hey, we're gonna be bored like this. We need to do something. Oh guys, shit. What the flip? That was really scary. Anyways, I like your mask. Yeah. You make it? And your hair. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna show the people the food. What is this? They got some shrimp things. As you can tell, people came in and ate.
Those are taquitos.
Taquitos. You tell them.
Shrimp.
You tell them, Gemma.
Shrimp. Tortilla chips, guacamole, salsa.
She's just saying it's so fair. This pizza?
Yeah, that's
Jamaican patties.
And I think those are
Spinach thing?
yeah, the spinach.
I want some of that. Are you gonna eat?
Yeah. What's that? Do you speak French?
No, I don't speak French, Gemma. Okay, guys, so me and Gemma went to the car because
Everyone stinks.
bro, it's so like it's just a bunch of adults. You missed our commentary. It was legendary. I'm gonna take pictures because see, listen, my posts are really pissing me off. If I can get a video of Gemma looking at people,
I didn't even look
Gemma's so rude. This is how Gemma looks at people.
No.
Yes.
Is that what I look like?
Gemma, yes!
What did I look like?
Gemma. Scary! Okay, anyways, that was my little update. Super boring. After post the most disgusting photos of you, insert here, boom.
And the thing is,
The
thing is, it's like in front of the whole church, so the whole church can see
right?
it.
Eggs.
And
Some people who are sleeping. Bro, at youth camp, if you're caught, your eyes are a little twinkle as the pastor's preaching, that media will come and zoom in on your face.
my sunglasses
Bro, Gemma, all of youth camp, she brought sunglasses. She brought all of youth camp as she slept. Sunday fam, even during Carter relationship, Gemma's eyes were literally closed wearing sunglasses. If you saw her wearing sunglasses, she was asleep, period.
Oh, wow.
Oh, there's a lot here. Now we're at the park.
I feel like I was more, I feel
feel like I was like so social.
Social, do you feel like?
This is Chloe. She said I can't release any further information about her, or else she will come for me.
Yes. Yeah.
She feels social.
Yeah. Tell us your problems, Chloe.
Anxiety, guys.
Oh my gosh.
It's a sad problem. Do I have to take pills for it? No.
No.
But like, it's just it's depressing.
You know what's weird? My sister said I had social anxiety
What?
3 hours ago, so
What's wrong with you?
I don't mind it.
I feel like your anxiety's already setting in.
What
You have
anxiety?
social anxiety.
Oh my gosh. She said I have social anxiety, guys.
Easiest thing ever. Slope is what brought my mark down.
I feel like slope. I know. I don't understand.
Slope is
that. What is
easy.
that?
It's like slope divided.
I need to get it.
I need to get it. I'm an 8th grade 10 math. Trust me, I'm gonna work hard.
Yeah.
In Jesus' name.
In Jesus' name, shut your bundle. You let them know. You speak wisdom over your life. You tell them, Chloe.
Yes,
What are you? Yeah. I'll update you if she passes math next year. We'll update you. We'll update you.
But if I'm not dead by then, to be honest. Corona. That's the area that she cannot.
Right, you can't post this. Your mom's gonna go online and find
snitch
it.
on YouTube, finding you a new report. Hey, I saw Alex.
I feel like my mom has you on Snapchat.
And then
Well, guys, this was fun. You made my TikTok. I mean, you made it.
yes.
Yes.
It's a stuttering.
Guys, this was fun. Hey, Chloe, whoop a cake. No, respond to G, Chloe.
I don't eat.
Debbie, say Debbie. Yeah! Wow, your tree is astronomical.
Yes, over the roof.
Bye, Chloe. Don't post it?
Yeah, no.
Don't post it? I will see your face on YouTube tomorrow morning. Goodbye, sister. Basically the end of the vlog. We're just at Dairy Cream right now. DQ. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Today was a pretty chill day, a pretty chill vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.